Draw some lines.
Draw some lines.
Draw some lines.
Draw some lines.
Bake some bread.
Bake some bread.
Bake some bread.
Bake some bread.
Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Save some money.
Save some money.
Save some money.
Save some money.
Spend some money.
Spend some money.
Spend some money.
Spend some money.
Bring some joy.
Bring some joy.
Bring some joy.
Bring some joy.
Have some fun.
Have some fun.
Have some fun.
Have some fun.
Give some examples.
Give some examples.
Give some examples.
Give some examples.
Sing some songs.
Sing some songs.
Sing some songs.
Sing some songs.
Learn some English.
Learn some English.
Learn some English.
Learn some English.
Buy some bread.
Buy some bread.
Buy some bread.
Buy some bread.
Try some food.
Try some food.
Try some food.
Try some food.
Share some food.
Share some food.
Share some food.
Share some food.
Take some medicine.
Take some medicine.
Take some medicine.
Take some medicine.
Eat some fruit.
Eat some fruit.
Eat some fruit.
Eat some fruit.
Spend some time.
Spend some time.
Spend some time.
Spend some time.
I want some rice.
I want some rice.
I want some rice.
I want some rice.
Give me some water.
Give me some water.
Give me some water.
Give me some water.
We need some bread.
We need some bread.
We need some bread.
We need some bread.
Add some sugar.
Add some sugar.
Add some sugar.
Add some sugar.
Put some salt in.
Put some salt in.
Put some salt in.
Put some salt in.
It's not working.
It's not working.
It's not working.
It's not working.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
That's my friend.
That's my friend.
That's my friend.
That's my friend.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
This looks important.
This looks important.
This looks important.
This looks important.
Can we talk now?
Can we talk now?
Can we talk now?
Can we talk now?
You are very late.
You are very late.
You are very late.
You are very late.
She forgot her phone.
She forgot her phone.
She forgot her phone.
She forgot her phone.
He is not listening.
He is not listening.
He is not listening.
He is not listening.
That was so easy.
That was so easy.
That was so easy.
That was so easy.
Why so upset?
Why so upset?
Why so upset?
Why so upset?
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
Please take this.
Please take this.
Please take this.
Please take this.
You can sit here.
You can sit here.
You can sit here.
You can sit here.
I feel so cold.
I feel so cold.
I feel so cold.
I feel so cold.
That's too much.
That's too much.
That's too much.
That's too much.
I know this place.
I know this place.
I know this place.
I know this place.
I'll wait outside.
I'll wait outside.
I'll wait outside.
I'll wait outside.
This is so tasty.
This is so tasty.
This is so tasty.
This is so tasty.
We work well together.
We work well together.
We work well together.
We work well together.
Does this dress look good on me?
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 I pay online for my orders.
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 I will donate this hair.
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 I'm planning how to earn money.
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 I'm cutting down on sugar.
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 I still have too much work to do.
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 The couple is lifting dumbbells.
The couple is lifting dumbbells.
The couple is lifting dumbbells.
The couple is lifting dumbbells.